Assalamu alaikum. My name is Adeel Mahmood Ahmed Qureshi. Uh, Here's the topic: data input in SPSS software. So here's outline. In outline, I will tell you what we are going to know about. First of all, what is SPSS? Then we will talk about utilities of SPSS, then how to use it, and finally conclusion. So what is SPSS? SPSS means statistical package for the social sciences. Might be some of you have understand by it meaning. Basically, it means a software used for statistical analysis, and it is used by research and economics, health sciences, research companies, national education, research, and then so on. Now, utilities of SPSS: data entry and database management. Basically, this is a major point and main theme of presentation. To organize a survey, create an input mark, and to enter the data. Or we can say to import or export database on SPSS and main manipulate files. In data processing, we have missing values and recoding variables. So let's talk about missing values. What is missing values? Missing values are those values that are completely absent from the data system. They are shown as periods in data view, and user missing values are values that are invincible while analyzing or editing data. Now, what is recoding variables? For example, you may want to change a continuous variable into a categorical variable, or you want to merge the category of nominal variable into SPSS. The type of transformation is called recoding. Data analysis. Univariate analysis study of the distribution of one or more variables, prevalence, incidence, average. Bivariate analysis study of degree of relation and correlate between two variables, for example relation between smoking like lung cancer. Multivariate analysis, example causal analysis, search for risk factors for diseases. Graphical processing of results. Graphical processing of results is like we can say histograms and curves. So how to use SPSS? Click on start button, then on program, then on SPSS icon, and then on SPSS statistic. A typical session on SPSS will always hear three windows. Number one, SPSS dialog box. It offers choice of running the tutorial, typing in data, running queries, and you can say opening an existing data source. Number second, SPSS data editor. It is used to enter data, edit or delete data. And the third one is SPSS viewer. It appears after an analysis command has been performed and contains the result of this analysis. So here are the windows graphical view of SPSS. This is a complete diagram. It shows how to use an SPSS window. On the top, there is SPSS viewer. In the middle, you can see the data editor of the software, and in the bottom, you can see the dialog box. Open a file data. Click on file, then open, and finally on data. There you can search your file in the directory where you saved it. Once your data is open, you can explore the two views mentioned above, the data view and variable view. Display of data. Each line represents a case, and in example we can say a subject. Each column represents a variable, and each cell contains a value of case on a variable. In variable view, each line represents a variable, and the column describes the characteristics of variables. Creation of graphs. For creating a graph, you have to go on your database. This is an example which is shown in the brackets. Save it to your directory. Open SPSS. Go under the file, then open and then open data. Look your database that you want to process. Once the database is open, then go to graphs. So here's the conclusion. SPSS is the software of assignments conclusion chapters help, and it is used to transformation of data into information that is necessary to take a particular decision. SPSS is not strictly to social sciences. It is used in many areas of research especially. It has created a place in the world computing and become all important. Might be someone